Sami sold 4 times as many iPads as laptops and collected a total of $8,400. The amount collected for all the iPads sold was $3,480 more than the amount collected for all the laptops sold. Each laptop costs $325 more than each iPad. How much was collected from selling all the iPads? How many laptops did Mr. Sami sell? Now, to do the first question, what we can do is to draw for ourselves a model for the iPad and laptop. It's just that for the collection from all the iPads, right, we need to add another section here, 3480. Why? Because iPads, Mr. Sami actually collected 3480 more than the laptops. So from here, we also know the total cost or the total collection, 8400. And the question wants us to find what is the collection from all the iPads. So to do this, what we can do is to form ourselves the same part for the iPad and also for the laptop. And the way to do that is to take the total and add to whatever is missing for the laptop. So 8400 plus 3480, 11880. And what is this 11880 representing? It represents one big part here and another big part here. So basically 2 big parts, and I'm interested in just one of them. So 11880 divided by 2, 5940, and this is our answer, right, for part A. Now for part B, how many laptops did Mr. Sami sell? Now to do this, we need to know how much did he collect from all the laptops. Alright, so for the laptops, it was 5940, take away 3480. Why? Because laptops the collection is 3480 lesser as compared to the iPads. So when we do that subtraction, laptop sales collection 2460. Okay, now this 2460 for the laptops is by selling 1 unit of laptops. Okay, 1 unit of laptops. Why do I say that? Because from the start they have said that Mr. Sami sold 4 times as many iPads as laptops, which means iPads will take on 4 units, laptops will take on 1 unit. And that 1 unit of laptop will bring in 2460 of collection. Alright, now how about the iPads? How about the iPads? iPads, 4 units. Now that 4 units of items will bring in 5940 in collection. And if you compare 1 unit for both, 5940 divided by 4, $1,485. The iPads, right, for 1 unit of iPads versus 1 unit of laptops, laptops collection will be more. Why is that so? Because for each laptop, alright, for each laptop, it costs 325 more than each iPad. So of course, 1 unit of laptops will be able to collect more money as compared to 1 unit of iPads. Now, if you find the difference between these amounts, we get 975. And from here, we are able to say that inside 1 unit of laptops and inside 1 unit of iPads, there is definitely more than 1 laptop and 1 iPad. Why? Because if there is only 1 laptop here and 1 iPad here, then the difference would have been just 325. Definitely there is more than 1. So how many items are there in 1 unit of laptops or 1 unit of iPads? We need to do a division. 3. So basically this 3 tells us that, hey, in 1 unit of laptops, there is 3 laptops. 1 unit of iPad, there is 3 iPads. Alright, so what's the answer for this question? How many laptops did Mr. Sami sell? He sold just 1 unit, which is giving us 3 laptops.